Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are someone who is interested in data analytics, SQL, dashboards, and you want a stable career in the top global company, then today's video is for you. In today's video, PayPal is hiring for the role of data analytics. At PayPal, full job overview. Based in Bengaluru, and this is one of the best analytics roles in 2025. In this video, I will explain the job details, eligibility, responsibilities, benefits, and most importantly, how to apply safely without scams. So watch till the end. Key responsibilities. The analytics will be responsible for exploratory and data analytics, dashboard development, applying statistical methods, translating business prompts to data solutions, collaboration for data-driven decisions. Before we go into the role, let's talk about PayPal for a moment. As we talked earlier, in role overview, this is a full-time position in Bengaluru with hybrid work model, 3 days office with 2 days of work from home. If required qualifications are bachelor degree with 1+ years of experience or equivalent training and experience. Additional preferred qualifications are candidates with the following skill set will have an additional advantage, like a skill set such as business partnership, collaborate with stakeholders, and also data architecture and reporting, lead discussions on data needs modeling, provisioning, and reporting strategy. And you have to know much more about machine learning in this role. Data leadership, KPI development, strong experience in designing KPI aligned with business goals. And you have expertise in SQL and BI tools. BI means such as Power BI, Tableau, like that, and strong comments over SQL. And you have to know the data modeling and flow design, create structured data models and pipelines for analysis and reporting, operational oversight, issue resolution, work model. It is hybrid model, so 3 days in office and 2 days from work from home. This model supports collaboration while offering flexibility. Next, let's talk about the benefits at PayPal. In PayPal provides industry-leading benefits to support the overall well-being and growth of employees, and other financial benefits such as employment stock options, competitive compensation, and these are benefits that are provided by the PayPal. And if you found any fraud, like PayPal never charges any fee for job application. Okay. This is the job application, job links, and I will job link it in the my description. And if anyone want a mock interviews or the any your resume overview, or if you want any resume, the link in my description. So please go and check.